Script for YouTube video. Opening scene, a sleek Toyota GLI parked in a scenic location, dramatic music playing in the background as the camera pans around the car. Voice-over, calm, engaging tone. Welcome to another exciting feature. Today, we're diving into a car that redefines elegance and practicality of the Toyota GLI. Let's explore what makes this ride a standout choice for those who value both style and performance. Cut to a slow-motion shot of the GLI's headlights turning on, showcasing the sharp design. Voice-over, the Toyota GLI greets you with the bold front fascia. The sculpted lines and dynamic grille give it a commanding presence on the road. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Transition to interior shots, focusing on the dashboard and seating. Voice-over, step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that combines comfort and sophistication. High-quality materials, thoughtful details, and a layout designed around the driver create an experience you'll look forward to every time you get behind the wheel. Scene shifts to close-up shots of the infotainment system and steering controls. Voice-over, modern technology is at your fingertips. With an intuitive touchscreen, seamless smartphone connectivity, and advanced steering-mounted controls, every journey is made easier and more enjoyable. The GLI makes sure you're connected without compromising safety. Switch to a wide-angle shot of the car driving through city streets. Voice-over, under the hood, this machine offers a blend of efficiency and performance. Whether you're navigating urban streets or heading out for a weekend escape, the responsive handling and fuel-efficient engine deliver a smooth and reliable ride. Cut to safety features being demonstrated: lane assist, parking sensors, and rear-view camera. Voice-over, safety isn't an afterthought. The Toyota GLI comes equipped with advanced features to protect you and your passengers. From its intelligent driver assist systems to its robust build quality, it's designed to give you peace of mind on every journey. Montage of the car in various settings of highways, suburbs, and natural landscapes. Voice-over, this car isn't just about getting you from point A to B, it's about enhancing the experience of travel. It's built for those who appreciate comfort, style, and reliability all in one package. Closing shot, the Toyota GLI parked with the sunset in the background. Soft music playing. Voice-over, that's the Toyota GLI: timeless design, advanced technology, and unmatched reliability. Stay tuned for more features on vehicles that make every drive extraordinary. End scene, screen fades to black with the channel name, Auto Luxury Ultimate Taking, subtly displayed. Voice-over, thank you for watching. Until next time, drive safe and drive smart.